We are going to start the new lesson, perimeter. Perimeter of rectangles, square and triangles. What is meant by perimeter? Perimeter is a distance around an object. This is one rectangle. If we measure the distance around this rectangle, we will get the perimeter. So perimeter we can find out for the regular shapes and the irregular shapes, which are two-dimensional shapes. We know that triangle, rectangle and square are the two-dimensional shapes. So we can find out the perimeter of these shapes, and if the figure is of irregular shape, there also we can find out the perimeter. For that we should find out or measure the distance around anything. Here this figure is of rectangle, so we should know the length of the sides of the rectangle, then we can find out the perimeter, because the distance around the shape is nothing but the length of that sides. So rectangle has four sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's see what is the rectangle. Rectangle is a two-dimensional shape. It has four sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Rectangle has four sides. Same way, the rectangle has four angles. This is the angle, and each angle is of 90 degree, means each angle is a right angle. Rectangle has four sides, four angles and four vertices. These are the four vertices. Understood? Now the properties of the rectangle. This longer side we consider as a length, and this shorter side we consider as a breadth. So rectangle has two length and two breadth. Okay. And the property of the rectangle is that the opposite sides are equal in length. So these two sides are equal in length. They are opposite to each other. Same way, these two sides are also opposite to each other, and these two sides are also equal in length. This is the property of the rectangle. Now how the perimeter of the rectangle. Here the question is given, if length of rectangle is 9 cm and its breadth is 6 cm, then find the perimeter of the rectangle. To find the perimeter means we have to find out the distance around it, that is nothing but the length of the all sides of the rectangle. So we can define the perimeter as like this, that the perimeter is the sum of length of all the sides of the given figure or shape. Here rectangle has four sides, in that we can short it as a 2 length and 2 breadth. So the formula we can write like this: P for perimeter, in bracket 2 times length and 2 times breadth. So we can write the 2 as common here, inside the bracket length plus breadth, or you can write length plus breadth, because 2 times length is there and 2 times breadth is there. Anyway you can write the formula, or you can just add the length of four sides also. Here P is equal to 2 times length plus breadth. So put the value here is the length and 6 centimeter is the breadth. So 15. So 2 multiplied by 15. The relation between the numbers which is outside the bracket and inside the bracket, there. So it is 2 inside the bracket, 15 means 2 multiplied by 15. So answer will be 30 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of the rectangle. Next figure is square. What is meant by square? Square is also two-dimensional shape or figure. It has four sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has also, like a rectangle, four angles which are of 90 degree, means right angle, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The square has 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices also. These are the vertices. Understood? But in rectangle, opposite sides are equal in length, and in square, all sides are of equal in length. Means if this side is of 4 centimeter, then the remaining sides are also 4 centimeters. Understood? So the formula of the perimeter of the square is very easy. Plus side. 4 times side means, in short we can write 4 multiplied by side, because perimeter means we have to add the length of the all sides. Understood? So here find the perimeter of the square whose side is 12 centimeter. 4 into side, 4 into 12 is 48 centimeter. Now the last figure is of triangle. The triangle has 3 sides. If you observe these figures of the triangle, each triangle has 3 sides. You know that. Each triangle has the 3 angles. Okay. And each triangle has 3 vertices. So perimeter of the triangle is length of the 3 sides sum. So side plus side plus side. So we can consider as P is equal to A plus B plus C, means the length of the first side, length of the second side, length of the third side. Or you can directly write here side plus side plus side also. Understood it? Better way to write side, side and side. So here 5 centimeter and this is 9 centimeter. Put the value in the formula. You will get 20 centimeters. So this is how to find out the perimeter of the square, rectangle and the triangle. Understood it? So this is the irregular shape, because it is not the rectangle, it is not the triangle and it is not the square also. So such shapes are called as the irregular shapes. We can find out the perimeter of these shapes also. So for that you have to add the length of the all sides of these given figures. Now first see how many sides does this figure have. 4, 5 and 6. So this figure has 6 sides. So we have to add the length of these 6 sides. But here in this figure the length of how many sides are given? See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The length of the 2 sides is missing. So we have to find out. If we put the dotted line here, we will get one square. Rectangle. This is 6 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. So up to this it is 4 centimeter. And after that it is also rectangle. This is 3 centimeter. So this will be 3 centimeter. Property of the rectangle, that opposite side. So if it is 4, it is also 4 and it is 3. So 4 plus 3 will become 7. So this will be of 7 centimeter. Correct? And this we have to find out now. If it is total 6 centimeter, this much we have to find out. For that it has the 2 parts. Up to this is a 2 centimeter. Again opposite sides are equal in length. So this much part is 2. So 6 minus 2 will be 4. So this part has the length 4 centimeter. So we can add 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4. When you add this, you will get the answer. 6 plus 7 is 13 plus 2 15 plus 3 18 plus 4 22 plus 4 26. So perimeter of this figure is 26. Understood? Find out the perimeter of the irregular shape figures.